Okay, so now we've gone through data collection and keeping data on the spreadsheet. So what are some of the uses that we do with the data collected on the spreadsheet? Well, one of the things I do every month is I submit a report on what the Welcome Center is doing. And this is from last year, 1819, and this is the end of the year. So at the end of the school year last year, um, May 31st, we had seen 607 students through the Welcome Center. And what I do is I keep those numbers all year, starting with the kiddos that we test in preschool. And you'll see that begins usually in April. And so this is April to the end of May. We saw 188 kindergarten students. So that's how many kindergarten students we assessed last year, and that would be primarily in-school kindergartens. And then these are just a couple of random students that come in during that period. We don't have a whole lot of new students coming in right at the end of the school year, which is good because we are pretty busy with the preschool students that we're testing. Okay, and this is our these are the reports for this year, 1920. So the last report I did was for December. At the end of January, I'll do the January report, but our numbers are a little higher this year. So just out of interest, this year, instead of 188 kindergarten students, we assessed 204, which is actually quite a big increase percentage-wise for what we do. So anyway, this is just an idea of what we're doing with some of that data. It's really nice to be able to track any changes in what's happening with the data. So this was back in November. And the 357 is where we are this year, and 303 is where we were last year at the same time. So you can see our numbers have increased pretty significantly over last year. Okay, so that's just a little bit of info on one of the reports that I generate out of the data.